welcome back to our channel, Seniors at Sea. I'm Angie, and Rick is behind the camera there. We just wanted to show you our room here on the Royal Caribbean Navigator of the Seas. We are in room number 9641, so we are on deck 9. We've seen a couple of things we're okay with and a couple of things we're not, so let's go over it. So I'm just going to start with the bedroom. Bedroom. It is small, tight, and snug. If you like mirrors on the wall, there you go. But I just want to show you the first thing that threw us off was I can't get around the bed at all. I just had knee surgery a few weeks ago, so I'm still kind of healing. So the only way for me to get on either side of these beds is to absolutely crawl over. Well, I'm 56 years old, and I don't crawl very well. I have to go pee at night a lot. So this ought to be interesting. So yeah, the couch takes up a lot of room here, but you do have all your lights and everything. There is no USB plugs or anything to plug in your phone. I'm disappointed in that, but got a little nightstand here to put your stuff. The ship is a little older, but it's not the end of the world for us. You know, we're okay with that. I just find this the downside is trying to get around the couch and the bed. So here's my bad knee that I just had surgery on, and here's my good knee. And the couch is pretty stained up here. You got a lot of stains on here, so kind of disappointing. This was a free cruise offer, so I don't know, sometimes you get what you pay for. So you got a small TV here, your refrigerator here, you know, all the things that you anticipate having in the cabin. I'm so sorry, I just had this open as I was looking through it. There you go. And I just read a tip on the refrigerators that because they need that ventilation, that if you close it and leave this open, that it cools better. I did not know that, so I just happened to see that on one of the blogs that I follow, and I thought that was pretty cool. And then of course you've got all of your drawers here. You've got your dryer and some Kleenex here. They also have a safe disposal of medical needles if you happen to use them. I'm sure that they can bring you a container to put them in. But the drawers are all empty, so you got plenty of drawers for all your stuff that you put your makeup on and fun stuff like that. Then of course you do have a lot of space here too. So both sides of the mirror do have this opening, so you can put stuff away if you don't like it sitting out and where everybody can see it. You know, these rooms are small, so you want to keep them nice and tidy. We also have the safe. You also have cabinets here with some more storage area. So you got plenty of storage in my opinion, definitely. And then I'll take you over here just a little bit. You got some hooks here, which are nice if you don't have your magnetic hooks with you. We try to keep those with us so we can put our caps on them. You have lots of hangers here. And then I'm not sure I recall what this is. If this
hang shirt and clothes.
Oh, hang clothes. Okay, thank you, babe. And then some more storage here. You do have your life jackets are in the closet instead of under the bed. And then we haven't got all of our luggage yet. We have 2 more pieces that are on their way up. So we just checked in. So anywho. And then we're going to take a quick look. This muster station for room number 9641 is on deck 4, D20. It was right when we got on the ship, so we were able to knock that out. Keeping in mind, this is not the old-fashioned muster. This is the good one. This is where you just watch the videos on your phone right before you get on the ship. I think they open it up in the morning for you to start watching it. 2 small videos, and then you check in at your muster station, and they're just going to give you like a 2-minute conversation. And then you can go to your room, and later on when that buzzer goes off for everybody to come to their muster station, you don't have to. So that's always nice. Full-length mirror here for you ladies. And then last but not least, the restroom. I love it with the shower door. I do like that. You got the Salt plus Breeze double duty hair, body wash. I think that's the triple duty. So, and then you do have your string that you can pull across over here where you can dry your clothes. This one is broken, so it doesn't have one. So won't be doing that way. But anyway, this closes, and I like those. I prefer those. Plenty of places to put your towels and everything. I would give everybody advice. 3 towels when it's a couple. Guys use 1, girls use 2. 1 for the hair, 1 for the body. You've got a plug here that you can, you guys that are coming in with your razor and stuff like that, you're able to use that. And then this is nice too. I do like to have a closed vanity area, and the reason I like that is I don't like my toothbrush and everything laying out on the counter for everything. Anyway, you got your soap, you've got your, there's no Kleenex here, but you got your little trash can, a little hand towel, and sanitary disposal bags. Please use those. Don't throw those into, oh, and there's another little trash can. Don't throw those into the commode, because this thing, woo, it can get stopped up pretty easy.
How do you flush that?
Oh, right here. And then you got plenty of these here. We usually hang our bags on there, or our dirty clothes bag. It just all depends on what we prefer during that cruise and how long the cruise is. So for the most part, I mean, the room accommodates everything that we need. That is the buster right there. There's just, if you were any older than us, to be quite honest with you, and you have any kind of restrictions, this is not how this should be set up. It's just too close for comfort. So
you mentioned that there's no plugs or outlets next to the nightstands. Yeah. Where do we plug those in at?
Well, we have a fan too that we use. So we have a lot of things that we plug in. And so we have a universal plug that we take with us everywhere. The reason it's such a good fit is because some of these ships have certain plug-ins, like they're maybe from Europe, UK, USA, Australia. Well, each one of these, we always tell y'all about it because it's such a handy dandy gadget. It fits for whatever country that you're in. And so here you go. And we have USB-A's and USB-C's. And we don't have those on the ships nowadays. Now, I'm sure the newer ones do, but the older ones do not. And I like to just simply plug my my cord in and not plug and all that stuff. So either way you can do it. But this, I plug everything into it and I'm pretty much set. Also, if you have a curling iron that doesn't work the system, you know. So this, you just plug it in. And that is for, I think it was European that I just pulled out. And then you can just plug in whatever you need to right here that might not be a normal USA type product. So we have a link for that in the bottom. This was a Europe plug. It's a 230 volt. You do also have your regular 120 volts over here. So keep in mind, everything's workable, but this thing has been life-saving. I did also want to mention, because they put it here, a lot of places don't put it. Every night, if you want a bucket of ice, just tell your room steward. They will make sure every night when we get here, we have a bucket of ice for ice water, a nice cold Coke or Dr. Pepper. So they have that for you. And then we like it. And if this bed becomes too uncomfortable, I can't say that they always have them available. You want to ask for them pretty quickly. I have a back issue in my spine, and so sleeping on these can sometimes be a little hard, but you can ask them for a mattress topper and they'll do their best to get you one if they have one available. So just keep that in mind as well. So we're going to go out and enjoy the ship, and we thank y'all for following us on our journey every day. We are just learning new things about living on cruise ships full time. And if you have any questions, just don't forget to comment, like the video, it's free, subscribe, it's free, and just follow us on our journeys, and hopefully we can help you along with yours as well. Until we meet again.
you.